Here's the finished look for the Crimps, you know what I'm saying?
You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, feel it's dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we them close. Ooh, you give me something I can pay for.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a quick get ready with me. As you guys can see, I already put on my eyebrows. I haven't done this in a long time. I don't really know how to, I gotta get back into my separate YouTube channel groove, you know what I'm saying? So it's not new to me, but it's been a minute since I did it, so bear with me. I'm finna do a quick get ready with me. I already put my eyebrows on. The pencil that I used was NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And I get this from the beauty supply. Like, I literally put probably like 5 steps. I do like 5 things on my makeup. I don't really do a lot. I don't know how to do a lot of makeup, let's put it that way. If I knew how to do it, I probably would do it, but I don't, so. And this is the color corrector. I actually don't know where this is from. Oh, this is from Maybelline. So yeah. And it's just a color corrector. So I'm gonna just go ahead and go on with that. I usually put that right here. Right here. And to be honest, y'all, I don't even know if I'm putting this in the right place, but this is how I do my makeup, because at the end of the day, the ending comes out pretty good. Oh, I look crazy, I look like a ghost. But then after that, I go in with my Pro Longwear Concealer. This is from MAC. That's from MAC. That's already on my hand. Then I need new brushes, y'all, so please don't judge me. And I put my concealer right here on my eyelids. Then after that, I go in with my foundation. I use Tarte. I think that's how you say it. Tarte, whatever. Double Duty Beauty. And the shade I use is 53G Deep Golden. That's what I use. And honestly, I feel like this is too, I want to say too bright. I don't know. It's not I have to get a foundation that like literally matches my skin color, because I'm kind of off. Am I the only person whose skin changes like in the winter? One moment. No, in the summer, I'm more on the chocolate side. And then in the winter, I'm more of a dark brown or brown. Like right now, I'm brown, super brown. Then next, I take the same brush that I use for my eyelids, dip it again in my Pro Longwear Concealer, and I start hitting. Well, I have 2 choices. I can either do or I don't. Okay, I lied, y'all. Never mind, no, I don't. That's another Maybelline concealer that I have. Yes. Then after that, y'all, I literally have like probably 3 more steps or 2 more steps, and after that, your girl is done. So then after that, I usually take my lip liner. I got this from NK Makeup. NK Makeup, this is from the Beauty Supply also. And I do my lips. So now that I did that, now literally y'all, all I do. So right now my lips are going through it. My lips are not like normal right now. They've been peeling and being dry and chapped and stuff. So right now I'm using this. And I'll be putting this on for lip gloss. Honestly, I put this on for lip gloss. No one could ever tell that it's this, because your girl got chapped lips. And that comes without anything. I need to get that together. So I'm not going to be walking around wearing lip gloss. And that ain't even helping my lips right now. This is. So I'm gonna put that on. Rub it in a little bit. Now after that, one more step, and that's the lashes. So like I said, you don't have to always put like 10 things on your face for your face to look like something. Cause as you can see, I put at least 4 things on my face. No more, probably no more than 5. Have you ever had a hairstyle like that you know is ready to come out, but you just holding on to it? I think that'd be this hairstyle. Cause this is ridiculous. Okay, this is what I use, heat protector. This is heat protector. I use this for my hair. I just spray it all around. Spray this side. Spray this side. There you go. And it smells good, y'all. That's the great thing about this product. It smells wonderful. Now I'm about to use my Got To Be glue and my edge 2 brush, and I'm about to fix these baby hairs first. By the way, this is a closure, you guys. This is a closure quickly. So yeah. And it's time to do this freaking hair. So usually, you can start off with the top if you want to. I usually start off with the top. So yeah. And really, I probably just hold it on here for like 5-6 seconds each. You don't really have to hold it on there for that long. And I got this crimping iron from Ulta, but to be honest with you, I don't like it. It's another one that I like way better. It's like a dark purple one. I gotta find it and buy it, but yeah, this one's alright. It works, as y'all can see, it's working. But I know one that I want. This is something I just had to pick up because I was rushing. So yeah, I know another one that I actually want though. But this one's not bad at all, like at all. Okay, so you guys, I am. Oh, I got a piece of hair on my face. Okay, so I am finally finished. This is the finished look. My makeup, my hair. Let me turn around for y'all. I gotta move this chair. Here's the finished look for the crimps. You know what I'm saying? I'm just playing, but here is my finished look. I hope you guys like my get ready with me / hair tutorial. If you guys have more suggestions, make sure you guys comment below. Y'all can DM me on Instagram. I just did a clothing haul for my couples channel. I'm gonna do another one for my personal channel, so make sure you guys stay tuned to that. But yeah, give me more video ideas for my personal channel and I'll be doing them. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And that's really about it. See you guys later.
You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, shit is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we them close.